Okay, in this video, I want to talk about the hand position switch for the right hand. Okay, notice at the beginning, you want to place your fourth finger on G, okay? Because you want to save your pinky for the A down here, okay? So you want to use your fourth finger on G. Okay, and when you get to here, you can use your fourth, but you have to stretch your thumb out to reach the C. Or you can use your pinky on this G, and then your thumb should naturally fall on C. Okay, but it's up to you. You have your choice here. Now, the second line, here, third finger on E, but once again, you want to save your pinky for the A later, which is here. So you want to stretch your fourth finger out. So you're going to feel a little stretch between E and G to use 3 and 4, okay? Because you do want to save your fifths on A. Or you can do 3, 5, and then do this G with 4. Okay, so you have to do a little switch. That's a choice, okay? So you can use the 5 here and then do fourth finger here. And then your fifth finger can play the A, okay? The last thing you want to do is do 3, 5, 5, 5. Why? Because you want to do a legato. It's hard to do a legato when you use only one finger to hop from key to keys, okay? So, and then here, you want to return back to the fourth finger on G. This is the same as the beginning, okay? So 4 on G here, and that's the same. You want to save your pinky for the A, and down here, you're safely to use your pinky on G because you don't need your fifth finger for A anymore, okay? So this part is your C pentascale position. Now, for the chorus, you gotta stretch out to the higher C. So you have to play an octave from this C up to this C, okay? So you're gonna stretch your hands. And then, you know, once you're here, fifth finger on C, and then line the fourth finger and third finger for B and A. And once again, pinky on C, and you're safe. And be careful here is C to A, not C to B. These are different. C, B, A, C, A, G. Watch your notes. Okay, now here, you have to move your hand to put your pinky on G again and play to the end with the C position, okay? And down here, you do have first ending, which means you play this and see the repeat sign, and you're going to repeat from the chorus, okay? Don't go back to the beginning. Just go back to here and then play again. And the second time, you're gonna skip this first ending to the second ending. So second time, you finish the piece here, okay? So it's either first ending or second ending, not both.